What's up, traders? Welcome to Raleigh, North Carolina. My name is Dylan, and I love my one wheel.
Why FTMO?
And I've always had issues with every other platform that I've tried, whether it's from payouts, them getting back to me, providing me a new account, or having server issues. These are issues that FTMO never has, and you can always focus on your trading rather than worrying about if you're gonna get your payout or not. This is why I love FTMO. I will always be with FTMO because they provide the best service out there in the prop firm industry.
Because FTMO is a very reliable and trusted company.
A massive thank you to FTMO for giving me this opportunity to obviously live the trader lifestyle that I've always dreamed of doing, and having that financial freedom. Without FTMO, I wouldn't be here. 3 years of trading now, and obviously I'm living a life that I've always dreamed of, and having that financial freedom. So thank you so much. Yeah, FTMO are the best.
And has an amazing and crazy and insanely generous profit split of 90% in favor of the trader.
Why FTMO? Well, because for the past 8 months, I've been a successful trader with FTMO, and they pay, and they're very professional, and their support's great. So why not FTMO? Enjoy, guys.